Hey, retro machines, Stitch here. Today I'm in a museum, but have you ever wondered, what is a museum? That's something I'm not going to tell you. And the challenge for today is to extend this wall. So let's get the stuff we need. It looks like we have a problem. We have 2 of these, but we need 3. So we have to find another one. We're 1 short of these bad boys and we need to make one ourselves, at least something that looks like it. Let's do it.
Big addition.
Here we are, beautiful new space for our museum. And now we have to find stuff to fill it up. Let the hunt begin. I think I found it. That's one. Do you see this? This is what they call the portable computer. Look, it even says so in the case. The Bondwell 14 Bondwell Portable Computer Model 14, designed at the Department of Redundancy Department. It is, of course, for this reason, 2 floppy drives, A and B. It should have 2 monitors, it should have 2 keyboards. So let's place this beauty on the top shelf. Beautiful! Alright, that was it for this second special episode of Retro Machines. During this episode we got cyber certified by the Hack42 Cyber Committee, so we're really happy. What we're gonna do next week, I don't really know for sure yet. Probably extend this, or we're going to place some beautiful items on the wall, or we're gonna, I don't know, there's so much stuff to do, as you probably have seen during this video. So again, thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time at Retro Machines. Goodbye!